Hi everyone, I am Sinchan. I am the founder and CEO of Curiobit, and let's begin with the theme. So this is the theme. I take care of tech and product. MyGate, it is a pretty big company now. So I was the first tech intern at MyGate. Later I was converted to full time. More than 60% of the features which we currently see at MyGate has been the foundation has been led by me. Then I had a stint at the CTO and co-founder at Fido, and Fido is a SaaS-based platform which is for the shopkeepers through which they can maintain their customer loyalty by giving discount offers, cashbacks. So we have over 2 lakh users and we clock an average rating of 4.8 across App Store and Play Store. And I'm also the former lead scientist at Cognitive Ethics. Cognitive Ethics is a Hyderabad-based startup which makes e-learning platform for autistic kids. Next we have Natasha. She takes care of marketing and finance, and she is a serial entrepreneur. She is a CA by profession, and she did her MS in global marketing from Boston University. She takes care of marketing and finance. We have Shruti Singh. She is a domain-based person. So during my stint as the lead scientist at Cognitive Ethics, I met a lot of child therapists, and the person with the most research acumen and connect with children from all profiles, be it neurodivergent profiles or be it any profile, it is Shruti. She did her MSc in psychology from Rashtriya Raksha University, and she has treated over 1000 children till date. So yeah, this is the dream team. Now let's get to what I am currently building. Now let's get to the problem which I am trying to solve. The problem which I am trying to solve is that since COVID-19, the screen addiction in kids has increased a lot due to TikTok, Reels, Shorts, etc. Kids are completely uninterested in books, which is slowly losing their connect with the real world. And the mindful screen time habits are not taught as a practice. Let's say eye exercises, neck exercises, it are not taught. And you go and ask to any parent, they have the same thing to say. Like, this is a common problem that okay, kids are getting too addicted to the mobile screens. To solve it, I made a product, and there are three major product philosophies. The first philosophy is that I will make all the products which act as a bridge between the real world and the virtual world. So I launched this book. This is the MVP. This is the first product. I'm not saying that I will be only dealing with books, but yeah, this is the first product, and this is a tangible object. Okay. So this is, and if you buy the book, you get access to the online platform. You get an onboarding kit with a product activation key through which you get access to the online platform. So this is book coupled with software, so real and virtual. The second philosophy of the Curiobit is that we follow a principle of familiar surprise, just like smartwatches. If we sold only fitness band, then the adoption was quite low. But adding a single watch face to it, people were already accustomed to buying watches, so they switched to smartwatches easily. The third philosophy is that whatever I am designing, be it in the real or be it in the virtual, like be it the book or be it the software, I am designing those screens for IMAX. I am designing those with complete immersiveness. So these are the three product philosophies. Now let me walk you through the product. So this is the book. The book can easily compete with any of the encyclopedia out there, and I've also gotten the feedback from a lot of publishers. So this is the book, and this is the online software. So let me cast my screen. Yeah, this is the software. Now the major thing about this software is that you can interact with the whole thing just using your natural form of gestures. Okay, let's say you want to say something, so the microphone gesture, search about India. Now let's say you want to hear it out.
India is a federation of
It will
states
start speaking
governed
out.
by a quasi-federal system, meaning it has both.
So now you can interact the whole thing using just gestures. Mindful screen time practices, which I was saying, time to time it will ask you to do exercises like this is the eye exercise. If I will not do it, then it will not let me proceed. Or let's say we also have the neck exercise, and we also have other form of exercises for mindful screen time practice. We have 3D concepts or games to make the concept really understandable, and to make things interesting we have activity based games. So yeah, neck exercise and Pac-Man simultaneously. Apart from that, we are also encouraging the kids to get back to the books. So let me just show you the demo. This picture. So yeah, what I just did was that it asked me to open a specific page of the book with an Easter egg in it, like which page of the book has a rupees 10 note. I open that page. Now the system knows that I have already opened the page and will continue asking more questions from the same page. So what happens in the due process is that the kid is being incentivized or encouraged to go through the book. So this feature will be launched as India Mobile Congress from the Pavilion of India Mobile Congress 2025, which is happening in New Delhi in the month of October. So yeah, it is not yet launched. It is a beta feature, and I just demonstrated it to you. Essentially, what I am trying to prove, the point which I am trying to prove is that I am getting the kids back to the real world. After a specific time of playing with the app, it will ask you that there is enough screen time for today, let's come back tomorrow. And we are incentivizing the kids to do good activities by giving them games to play, by entertaining them. And it is world's first such software which has incorporated so sophisticated AI on the edge device. We even have a patent for it. Here is the patent. All the computation is happening on the edge device itself. None of the data, like none of the genetical data like face or voice, is being sent to the server. So this is world's first such software, and it can run on any device. You just need to have a browser. It can be Chrome, it can be mobile, it can be tablet, it can be TV, it can be desktop, it can run on any device. So yeah, this is the product I am combining, like this is the bridge between what is real and what is virtual. So now I have already said about the product. Yeah, this is one more thing, that since you saw the product, you can communicate using multiple ways, using your speech, using your gestures. Why? Because I want to make an inclusive product. Like currently we see that if someone is autistic, someone has got oral issues, or someone has got gross motor issues, then there are separate products designed just from them. This is an inclusive product. The base has been formed in that way. So yeah, it is making education accessible to people from all the spectrum, to children from all the spectrum. It is making education accessible. So yeah, what is our business model? It is the direct sale of books. The books are currently priced as 1,799. We are also looking at, the market research is underway for looking at the subscription model, where we will be charging for premium features, and the unit profit margin till now has been 58%. Play Sifu is my biggest inspiration, and when it comes to encyclopedias, then we have DK, and we are the only company which provides AI based interaction. None other those. Marking that as our USP, the immersive learning score for Curiobit increases a lot, but yeah, Play Sifu is an established brand, It is really immersive. They are my inspiration. And DK doesn't have a software. Now, Curiobit can easily be scaled across countries. We are also filing in the process of filing the patent where using a single click you will be able to transform any text into digital experience. And in fact, the software which I showed, like the software which I showed, I took 6 months in designing this book. Okay, each and everything in this book is made by human, and then just with a single click I fed in all the pages of this book into the AI algorithm, the AI engine which I was building, the proprietary AI engine, and then it gave me the whole digital software within just 2 days. Within just 2 days. So that is why scalability has been kept in mind, how we can scale across languages, across regions, across content. The scalability has been kept in mind. Now we started selling to our beta customers in the month of July. We have over, okay, yesterday 2 more, so we have sold over 103 copies, and 40 of those copies are by, sorry, 41 of those copies are by referral itself. Now the global market for stem cell is pretty huge, and if we see a gross revenue, then we see that the interactive learning experiences which are provided by PlaySifu is outcompeting DK, which is age old book brand. It is outpassing it in terms of revenue. So yeah, people are slowly moving towards the immersive learning, and this is a strong signal for it. And by the way, PlaySifu, the previous year it registered 84 crore as revenue. This year it has registered 176 crore. So that is a huge adoption growth which you are seeing right there. So yeah, now since I have covered about the product, the business aspect of it, let me say you the vision. As of now, we are dealing with just books and STEM toys. More and more patents are coming. And one thing is that although we are not capturing any data related to genetics, like we are not capturing the face, we are not capturing the speech, we are not capturing the movements, but still we know how people are interacting by their natural gestures with our software. Okay, and that will compile into a data, and once we have the insights which are good enough, we will be making our own AI native device. So that is a vision, and in the long term, we want to create an creator economy where everyone can create their own AI interaction based content very easily. Like that will be a common platform, and that creator economy will propel a platform where knowledge is the base content. Like we saw, Instagram came with just pictures, TikTok came with short form videos. There, knowledge and AI interaction based games will be the base. It will make the base of that platform. So yeah, that is the vision, and these are the intellectual property rights. By the way, yeah, Curiobit trademark has already been registered. This is the theme. And in case any one of you are wondering what Curiobit stands for, Curiobit is a bit of curiosity. So that's all. Thanks a lot. I'll be attaching this video, and I shall also be attaching the pitch deck for you to consider. Thanks a lot.